Very nice day. Oh, can you please check on the tanks downstairs, please, Mr. Robot? I don't know what he's doing down there, but I'm sure he'll be back in a minute. Why is your light beeping? Come on. You gotta stop that nonsense. Oh no, the ship's very unstable. This is why you were beeping. Beep. Oh no, we're falling. There's something falling from the sky. Maybe they know the way out of the forest. And they can help us find our way out of here. Yeah. Okay, let's try that. But if they're bad, it's your fault. Okay. We're falling. Help me. Help me. Help me. We got you. There's nothing to worry about. Oh, thank you. And where is this place? Oh, I see. We're in the jungle. I know where we are. Oh, can you help us get out of here? Of course we can. Let's get out of here together. Oh, wait up!